Hello and welcome to my last day at home. Tomorrow I'm flying out, but I'm not going back to DC just yet. I'm actually flying down to LA and I'll be there Friday night, Saturday, and then all of Sunday because my flight isn't until late. It's like a red eye again from LAX to DC. So I'll get back to DC Monday morning. All right, kids, it is like 6:30 on, what day is it? Friday? June 1st. Oh yeah, it's June 1st. It's Sierra's birthday. And I just packed up all my stuff. My suitcase just went downstairs. And now we are headed out again. Another goodbye to my room. So it's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. I'm on my way to LA today. And yeah, my outfit does not match at all. I'm wearing like a navy top with my gray ombre seamless leggings. But you know, it's all about the comfort. So cheers to that. We are now approaching Portland International Airport. And I'm sad to leave. Are you gonna miss me?
No, I don't want you to go.
No, I'm not gonna miss you.
No, well, you're not leaving.
Well, I'll see you in less than a month for our family reunion. Yeah. We'll be reunited. I think the vlog will miss you more than I do. Not that I won't miss you, but they just love you a lot, so. Bye.
See you later, everybody.
Any last words, Dad?
Bye.
Good one. She had a last word after I turned off the camera. What is it?
One last word. I just wanted to have a shout out to Sierra. Happy birthday, Sierra. I'm sending you the best present ever.
Back with my bitch. We're at Jones on 3rd. And we got coffee and shoestring fries, and I got a Diet Coke. Nice, thank you for offering that to us. We got these like gummy letters that are overpriced, and we're gonna go for Sierra's birthday because we're going to celebrate tonight. We are gonna get try to find her like a vegan cake and spell like "you're a bitch" on it with gummy letters or something like that. It could be a G. Is there a hook? I think it's a C.
Bitch is in there.
We've got a bitch.
This is a Z, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, nice. Dispensable. Oh, is that X? No, that's a Y. That might be important. To be determined on what we're gonna spell.
These are like a little funky.
Like the way they look or the way they taste?
No, the way they look. They taste fine. This R is fucked up.
It's been through some shit.
Like, who opened this, took a bite out of every single one of these? Like, that looks like a bite.
Yeah, but it like...
No, we might eat it. There's so many M's and W's.
Yeah, I don't know why they need that many. We're gonna have to find something to spell with it.
You got it set to M for mini. You gotta set it to W for wombo. I wombo, you wombo, he, she, wombo. Oh fuck. Wombo. Wombology? The study of wombo?
Jesus
It's first grade, SpongeBob.
Okay. I look rough.
I want to be in it.
Versus doing this thing where she records 1 second of every day and then at the end of the year, she's gonna put it all together. So I'll link it down below on January 1st, 2019. You guys can watch the entire thing just for that 1 second. But anyway, this is Marissa from Marissa's Making. So sorry I wasn't filming your face. And
I'm still making.
She's making. They're just not on my vlog. So she made a pesto sandwich appear on her plate because she paid for it. Sophie from Sophie's Sorrow.
Sad but accurate.
Sad but true. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, I vlogged with you yesterday. We gave, I should have vlogged the finished cake.
Oh God.
We vlogged about our plan to put "you suck" on it. Actually, no, we didn't get to that part. We just had gummy letters and we were figuring out what to put. But we ended up, I'll insert a picture. And we ended up getting a cookie cake that said USA on it, and we scraped off the A and then we put with gummy letters "suck." So it said US suck. You suck.
Suck with 2 C's.
Because we couldn't find a K. But suck. And then on the bottom I wanted to say HBD and we couldn't find a D, so it said HBO. So it said, the cake said "you suck, HBO." And Sierra from Sierra's Sappy Saturday Singing Time.
Yeah, thank you.
Your
first full day as a 23-year-old woman.
Thank you very much. I'm halfway to 24.
Yeah, we got a halfway to 24. We got a 22 child.
So I had a little birthday party last night and it was really fun.
She's a little hungover.
I'm really hungover.
Shake it! I was having a rough time.
And my skin is terrible. Stop. Aren't you supposed to be promoting some skincare?
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
Anyway, last night a group of us went to dinner at the Fat Dog in North Hollywood and that was really fun. And then I had a little birthday party at the house where we had a photo backdrop and drinks and me and Annabella going out to the bar.
Yeah, let's show a few images.
I want to show a picture of the photo backdrop wall. Last night's 1 second. I didn't see this one.
No, that was okay. I saw the full video of that. I didn't see the 1 second. What?
Here's one.
I'm not even in it, bitch. Oh my god. Wait, it has to focus. Focus. Yep, there we go. There we go. Wow. What a time.
I thought that I was wearing the party hat and then when we went to the bars. So I literally, people would come up to me at the bars and would be like, oh, it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I'm like, yeah, how did you know? That's amazing. It must be my energy. And it's like, why am I holding my leg up like that?
I have a lot of questions. Oh my god, yeah, this is an all-time icon of a photo. Yep, that about sums up the night.
Marissa, you look like a Renaissance painting.
A Renaissance
They are all like falling on each other. I'm like catching them and then Kristee's just like,
wow, I look like an actual corpse. Oh man.
I mean, I wasn't gonna say anything.
Driving through LAX.
I hate this.
and being
LAX wants
sad.
people go to die. Is that why a corpse? I had the best weekend ever with Kristee coming for my birthday, and I had a birthday party and a dinner, and we went to the pool today, and we just had a great old time.
Oh my god, my under eye circles when I do that. Yeah.
I thought that was eyeliner.
Is there eyeliner smudged? Oh my god, there is eyeliner smudged under my eye.
I thought it was like,
Oh, I thought that was my under eye circle. I was like, wow, I'm a corpse. I'm on a red eye back to DC tonight, and then I'll get there tomorrow morning. I accidentally booked a flight for yesterday night, and I got an email like the day before, like the day I got there, that was like, it's time to check in for your flight, and I was like, no, it's not. I had to call last minute, and luckily they were able to change it, but yeah, I was definitely supposed to be on a flight last night, but we made it, fam. Bye, buddy.
I love you so much. Come back soon. Don't tell me what to do, bitch. What's up, guys? So we are back in DC at my apartment. As you can see, I actually haven't vlogged anything since I got back. The last couple of days I've just been like settling back in and readjusting, and I haven't been vlogging, but this is gonna go up tomorrow. So this vlog is gonna be, you already just watched me going to LA and spending some time with my friends there and then flying here. And I got a bunch of mail while I was gone. Literally, Tyler texted me and she's like, you have like 15 boxes, like, can you come back now? I'm gonna do a little unboxing for the last part of this vlog, and then we're gonna be back to normal with my normal vlogging schedule. So yes, I got a Gymshark package. I ordered from their release, I think it was their latest release. I don't really know. It was some Monday like a couple weeks ago. So this has been here for over a week. Honestly, I jumped on this release in particular just because I'm someone who loves neutral colors for working out, and they don't often have those on Gymshark actually. Like I feel like they tend to have more like bright, like crazy colors that aren't necessarily me. So when they come out with neutrals, as they have lately, I've kind of been like jumping on it. Oh yeah. I haven't gotten new flex leggings in a while, and I was really excited to see that they got the khaki and sand flex leggings. So it's like a army green. Oh, this is so cool. I love this color. I got this in a size small, and I'm gonna be doing a little try on haul of them, so don't you worry. Along with that, another sand colored thing. I got one of this Vital Seamless sports bras in sand, and this is in medium because I usually get medium in tops and small in bottoms in Gymshark, like I always say. And I thought this would just go so well because sometimes like with dark colored sports bras, like you can see the line and stuff, especially their like brighter colored tops. So I thought the nude would be really nice, and this is the softest, comfiest, stretchiest material. So I love their seamless sports bras,
and I feel like I always just need more sports bras. Oh, this is not a sand colored thing actually. I was stoked to see them come out with a mint colored thing though. Oh, it's so pretty. I was honestly surprised they haven't had a mint in the past. I got the mint seamless crop. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this color. Ah, I'm dead. I love mint colored things. They're just so, oh, yes, yes. Oh my God, I forgot I got these. Wait. I know I was like thinking about them, but I didn't think I actually ended up getting them. Oh yes, okay. These, you guys know I got the black to gray seamless ombre leggings and I fell in love with the seamless ombre legging. Like, I don't know what it is. It's just something about, I think they've really got the style and the cut of these like down pat. I love the waistband. It's like high-waisted and controlling without being like too constricting. And they're just so soft and stretchy. They, like, hold you in, and I don't even know. I love them. And so I was eyeing this color. The only thing is I know that they have like built-in underwear or something. I heard light gray to light pink, which you guys know like my favorite colors. Even though I don't usually go for colored leggings, like I thought this was okay because it's half gray. So yay. Oh yeah, back to the sand. God, I got too much stuff. I feel like I watch so many like fitness vloggers that just constantly buy new fitness clothes that I'm just like, it makes it feel okay to me. Like when I see other people doing like Gymshark hauls or whatever, I'm like, oh yeah, like they're buying more, like I need more. And then I look and I'm like, I have way too many activewear pieces for a normal person. But I guess there's nothing about me that's normal, so. Another Vital seamless crop because these are my favorite tops ever, and I got it in sand because I thought a neutral would be nice, especially with like the khaki flex leggings. I don't know, I just really like nude and neutral, so I thought it's kind of different, like a nude top for working out, but I just love this style so much. They're so soft and comfy that I was like, I need a neutral, because really the only neutral of these I have is like the dark gray black one, I think. Last but not least, finally the last thing I got. Oh my God, did I really get this? I feel like I put things in my cart thinking I was gonna take a few of them out. You know when you do that where you're like, just in case, and then you know you're gonna take them out, and then I just like didn't take them out. This is a very different item for Gymshark that I've seen, but I got the towel cropped sweater, a blush colored nude or something. So different, but it looked so comfy, just like thrown over. This seems like, this reminds me of like looking back on my ballet days when I would like throw over my ballet clothes before I went to class or after or something. And it's just so sweet and comfy looking. I don't know, I just was really drawn to this, and you guys know it's my favorite color, so when Gymshark had it I was like, yeah. I love this bag, super cute, so summery. I got this from Hum Nutrition, which you guys know they sent me some supplements a while back because one of my friends from college, Chloe, actually works for them, so now she sends me like PR stuff, and it's funny because it's like, I know her. I love that they put this bag just to like put a box. Like they could have mailed the box, but they're like, nah, we need this cute ass bag. If I can even open it, there's confetti coming out of it already. Oh shit. Oh, here we go, ladies. Glow Sweet Glow vegan gummy for skin height. Oh my God, I literally need this so badly. My skin has just been rough. I think it's because I've been traveling a lot and like going from different climate to different climate, and my skin like very much needs to adjust to one climate. I freaking love vitamin gummies. Like I have this problem where I'll just eat them all because they taste like candy. Skin hydration for the ultimate glow. It's hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and E, which is amazing. Some supplements and gummies and things do have animal products, but these are vegan, so all good. Ooh, they smell like strongly orange, like orange candy. They're just like little hearts or seashells. I don't know. Oh my God, yes, they taste like an orange creamsicle, but like a gummy candy. I'm gonna have to hide these from myself. What is this? I think it's like a bag clip, but it is battery. It has a battery pack. Oh, there's already batteries in it. Bless. Thanks, Chloe. There's a button. It's a light up bag clip. Am I missing something? I'm sure I'll find some use for it. Oh, it gets brighter. Oh my God, even brighter. Whew. I was going blind for a second. Can we just talk about how freaking cute Hum Nutrition's packaging is always? Like they do such a good job. Got a big box from Jouer Cosmetics, which you guys know, I love them. Oh my God. They made like a Louis Vuitton box. Oh my God. All little lip kits. This is their Jet Set collection, which is why it looks like luggage. They've got a nude kit, a pearl, Rose and Baye. I don't know how to say that. Oh my god, there's more down here. What the actual heck? Matte eyeshadow palette, a makeup bag that is gorgeous. Can you see? And then 2 bronzer duos and a kitten eyeliner. Oh my god. You guys know how obsessed I am with Jouer eyeliner, that I bought one when I was home because I missed it. And so this, I think this is a liquid liner. I can't get it up with my fake nails. Wow, champagne problems. Definitely check out their Jet Set collection. It came out May 21st, so this was like while I was at home. And I do still have a big box down there from Shein. This vlog is gonna be all long enough already. And so I'm gonna hold off and open the Shein package in my next vlog, which you guys will see this Sunday. Or wait, I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary of my fitness journey. So I think I'm gonna do a whole video just about that. So maybe the haul will be after that, but either way, just stick around, subscribe if you want to watch that whenever it comes. I got some really cute stuff for summer. So thank you to anyone who sent me anything. Thank you to myself for buying some of these things. Love me. Love you guys so much. Make sure to stick around because my 1-year fitness video is going to be pretty epic, so get stoked. June 9th, and I'll see you guys then. Love you. Bye.
I can't stop.